Hello friends, I am Professor Dr. Ketan K. Mehta, consulting physician at Asian Heart Institute and Suchak Hospital, Mumbai. Friends, we are going to bring to you a unique program on case-based discussions on cuff management in different case scenarios in pediatric as well as in adult medicine. Dr. Adarsh, a senior pediatrician, and Dr. S.V. Kulkarni, a senior physician, will be joining with me. So please do join on 24th of February at 3:30 p.m. sharp for this webinar called Command. This educational initiative is sponsored by Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, and DocMod provides the educational platform. See you on 24th Feb. Thank you.